you have a long hair and you want your hair to look like from this to this, and here's a tutorial on how to braid your own hair at home. So stay tuned and keep watching the video. So all you need in this tutorial is a small rubber bands and any sort of hair gel and a comb, and that's it. So let's get started. Step number 1, you just gotta wet your hair first. So I'm gonna take a quick shower, so I'll be right back. Boost! So I just came back from the shower. The next thing you want to do is put on some hair gel so that your hair stays hydrated. I'm just gonna massage and keep everything hydrated. The next step is to part your own hair. This is important because it gives you an overlook on how it will look at the end. I also like to use this screwdriver. You could also use something else like toothpick, anything pointy, it doesn't really matter, to make sure that the line is as straight as possible. I also like to use this 360 mirror so that everything is aligned and I can see myself from different angle. And once you're done with that, I'm gonna make smaller sections for one side. Once again, I'm using that screwdriver to make that line as straight as possible. So every time I part my hair, I use this small rubber band to kind of like bundle all together so it doesn't fall out, and later it's gonna be easier for me to like braid the individual section, and I do this for entire head. Okay guys, so now we're done with parting. Now we're gonna move on to braiding part. You can basically start anywhere you want, but I like to start off with the very front. So pick a section and split your section into 3 parts. And from there, I put the animation right there for you to understand, because on the clip, it really is hard to understand what I'm really doing with my hands. So I put the animation right there for you to understand. It's a traditional braiding method. And yeah, so basically I just repeat this braiding process for entire head, and it just goes all the way down to the tip of the string until you can no longer braid your own hair. And at the end, I put that small rubber band to kind of like stay everything in place. I guess I'm just gonna show you like the second part right here as well, just so that you can have a look at different angle. So yeah, basically doing the same step for every section that I parted. I'm done braiding for every section, but I look like a spider. So this is just an extra step that I like to do. So for each section, I twist it with the section on the adjacent side, and it goes all the way down to the back of my head to make it look like a one long braid chain. And I do this for both sides, and at the end, for both sides, I tie them up together with a small rubber band. And this is it. So you got yourself a nice little easy braid, and here's the look. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you like my content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And yeah, hope to see you very soon. Boost!